Welcome back, my amazing and wonderful subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Grandma Esohe's cooking channel. I hope you will like the next cooking video you are going to view now. Enjoy and always practice one or two of them. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. Enjoy. Hello, viewers. We will be cooking okra soup today. That is our meal, and we're going to add some okazi leaves. This okra soup, you can use it to eat any type of fufu, amala, eba, and any. So we're going to be cooking. We're going to start off by putting our protein, chicken, drumsticks, and also turkey gizzard on the fire. We allow it to cook for about 25 minutes, about 25 to 30 minutes, and then we'll take away the chicken, put it in an oven pan, and put it in the oven. Then leaving the turkey gizzard on fire. Continue to cook with that because we are not drying that. We want the chicken to be dried. Then next we put some chopped onions. We will allow the onions to cook a little bit to become translucent. And when it's cooked, we taste for salt, and then we check our chicken that is in the. Then we add half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, then half a cup of crayfish or crawfish, and we stir. We stir it very well. Some people put iru, but I did not put iru. And then you now add 2 teaspoons of ground ogbono. I always like my okra to be very slimy, so I add a little bit of ogbono to it. 2 teaspoons, and that's the ground ogbono. And then stir, and then you add half a cup of palm oil. Half a cup of palm oil to it. And then stir it up. The soup is forming now. You can see that it's a little bit slimy with the ogbono. And then we put our 2 cubes of Maggi or bodulon. You squeeze it into it. Don't put it as lump. You break it up with your hand. Normally it's soft. It's not too soft, but it's soft. You break the second one with your hand. Squeeze it in. Leave it a little bit to cook, and then it's time we blend our okra, raw okra. We put it in a blender, medium blend, so it's not all mushy. Then you stir in it. You still have a little bit of little lumps of the okra showing. It's not just all too blended. And then you turn and turn and turn to blend it all up, to mix it all up in the mixture. Then you taste for salt and add as necessary, which I just did. And the soup is ready. You leave it to boil up. Then it's time to add some of the washed dried Okazi. You can, instead of Okazi, you can put spinach. You can put ugu leaves or spinach leaves, and then the quantity depends on what you like. If you want it very plenty, you put plenty. But I want it average. I don't want it too much. So just a little bit of Okazi in it. And you see how, colorful it is, how nice, bright yellow, greenish soup. It's yummy. Our soup is ready basically. So all we're doing is just waiting for it to boil out, and you dish your soup. We now add our chicken from the oven that we put in the oven to dry up a little bit. We add it to it. Some people would like the chicken to be drier than that. Some add fish, but I don't have fish, so this is what I have in the house. And you can cook it with any protein. Some people just cook with just meat and fish. And you can put any type of protein. It's your desire. But if I had fish, I would have added fish to this, and it would have be very beautiful. Either dry fish. Most times dry fish is best for this kind of soup. And the soup is ready. Isn't it nice? Look at how beautiful it is. Time to dish the soup. See how it looks? Slimy. I love it when you can eat it with any fufu, eba, amala, any type of fufu, cauliflower fufu, cabbage fufu for those that are on low diet or are diabetic. So it's nice with any type of fufu. Yummy. I'm salivating now. I can't wait to eat it with my cauliflower fufu. Very nice. Thanks for watching.